guys, welcome back to Aussie Furniture Focus. My name is Rebecca and my name is Michelle, and today we'll be decoupaging the pots. Now our first step of our pots is our pot and ornament sealer. Now we'll be spraying in the inside because if you don't, when we decoupage, the outside will just get ruined. And our next step, our Carts and Millie's boutique primer and adhesive bond. And we are doing this step, the paint will stick onto the pot. And then now our next step is our beautiful paint, Carts and Millie's Charlie Latte. The reason that we are using Charlie Latte is because it matches the background of our paint, of our napkin. And then our next step is our boutique top coat. And that is for when we do our napkins, when we put it on. And our top coat is so it can stick on to the piece. And I'll show you the steps when we get there. So we're currently at Dixie Beach and it is forecast to storm tomorrow. So we want to get our first step done with our pot and ornament sealer because it takes 4 hours to dry in between coats. And this will give us some wet weather activities to do. Okay, so my dad will be doing our spray, our pot and ornament sealer, and he'll be spraying our pots. Okay, and now I'm going to have a shower. Hey guys, welcome to Dixie Beach. Today I will be doing something a bit different. I'll be doing some rock painting. So first of all, we'll be putting on the boutique primer and adhesive bond onto the rocks so that the paint can stick onto the rock for a very, very long time. After that, I'll be painting over some colors over it. And to make sure that it lasts forever, I'll be using the boutique top coat satin finish. Alright, catch you later. Okay, back to back. And Dad's going to spray paint the pots now.
Hey guys. Okay, we're going to start painting the inside of these pots now. Beck can't come on this side of me because it's just too windy and too dangerous. So it'll be just me spraying the inside of the pots at the moment, okay? Okay, you've got to shake your hand really well as the directions say.
The reason why we are spraying it is because we're going to paint the trees too. Make sure you're at a well-ventilated area. Our Carts and Millie's boutique primer and adhesive bond, and we're going to be putting on the pot, painting it on the pot because it helps the paint stick on. Alright, see you soon. We will be using Carts and Millie's Charlie Latte. We'll be doing 2 coats and we're using Charlie Latte because it matches the napkin we're using. I will be using the boutique primer and adhesive bond. Only on the parts that I will want the picture. We will be using the Chelsea cream on the rocks and 2 coats of Chelsea cream. Today I'm going to be putting Carts and Millie boutique primer. Oh my gosh.
for the paint to stay on. On my glass jar lid, I will be using, what's it called? Charlie Latte and 2 coats for the whole jar.
To stick the decoupage on, we use the Carts and Millie's top coat. And we put 2 coats of the top coat on the rocks, the pots and the jar. Time for a swim.
This is my pot, now it's time to fish.
Can I have a little look?
I'm not selling this one, it's too cool.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe and ring that notification bell to get more videos like this one.
That done!